Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Khánh.
Good. How old are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. You fine today, right? Now, how old are you? Are you 7, 8, 9?
9.
You're 9 years old. Oh, good. What food do you like?
I like some chicken.
You like chicken? Oh, I see. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
You're from Vietnam. Do you like Vietnam? Ooh, I also like Vietnam so much. Good. Okay, good. How many people are in your family?
And
The family, how many? Daddy?
daddy, mom, sister, brother, grandma.
Oh, daddy, mom, sister, brother, and grandma. Oh, okay. Can I come? I also join your family. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now, daddy, mommy, brother, sister, grandma, teacher Andy. Okay, let's go.
In,
Good.
bed,
Good.
green,
Good.
hot,
Very good.
fan,
Good.
cat,
Good.
and
Good job.
couch,
Good.
mop,
Good.
and
Good job.
catch,
Good.
match,
Very good.
pan,
Good.
rat,
Rick. Good.
wet,
Good.
ram,
Good.
map,
Good.
hatch,
Good job.
rat,
Good job.
ass,
Good.
can,
Good.
buff,
Good.
neck,
Good.
wet,
Again.
wedge,
Good.
pen,
Good.
jam, back, in,
Good job.
pin,
Very good.
hot,
Good job. All right. You did so well. High five. Boom. Oh, it's bomb. Mistake. All right, now let's go. You read the story. Which one do you want to read? Okay. All right. Let's go.
the red hand is wet. We go to the vet. Oh no, my best hand is in bed. My hand had 10 eggs.
Very good. All right, now let's do sight words. Okay. So you choose which one do you want to read. Okay.
I like pizza.
Yeah.
I like apples. I like banana. I like carrot.
Yeah.
I like egg. I like cookie. I like cake.
Very good. Now you choose one more. Choose one more. Which one?
I can see a hat.
I can.
I can see a hat. I like the hat. I see a balloon. I like the balloon. I can see a cake.
I can see a cake.
I can see a cake. I like my cake.
All right. Good job. Okay. High five.